In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Call of Duty account on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is, using a web browser, go to Activision website at www.activision.com. You can access this website on your computer, your phone, or even the Xbox console itself. Just make sure to use a web browser. After you arrive at this page, you will be able to select Log In at the top right corner of the screen, and you will be able to input your Activision account email and password. Alternatively, you can also sign in using your Xbox credentials. As long as you input valid credentials, you will be able to log into your Activision account and then click Profile at the top right corner of the screen, as you can see highlighted over here. When you click Profile, you will be immediately redirected to the account management page. In here, you will be able to see the link of your Xbox Live account, and all you have to do to properly sign out is click Unlink at the right side of the Xbox Live account. As you can notice, I don't have an Xbox account link, but the process is exactly the same. Click Unlink at the right side and go through the account verification. Confirm your email address and you will be able to unlink your Xbox Live account. You will then be able to sign into a new COD account inside of the COD game itself on your Xbox or through this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of COD account on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.